Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easier repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the battery prior to installation for your safety. Begin the installation by rotating the lock cylinder to the run position. Insert a small screwdriver or similar tool into the access hole on the lower shroud beneath the lock cylinder. Push the retaining pin in while pulling on the lock cylinder to remove it from the column. Follow the steps in reverse order for installation of the new ignition lock cylinder.